Big up Crosses TV.
Graphics TV, just have your phone out, cause this one is kinda big.
You're right, blood clot, something. Pussy! You must can't stand up to where you're right. And you write it on me, blood clot, get it on me, I go play it. Any blood clot time I want to play it and beat me. You just chat a while ago, say. You just chat a while ago, say. You don't know nobody blood clot war. Me are the hunger blood clot girl where police look for bumbo clot flatbush. Me are the hunger girl where police look for big old woman where police look for flatbush, say woman arm and dangerous. Nana, go suck out your mama with a straw and come for blood clot me. Come in a walk and beg Nana and hear this. I work me there and I couldn't talk. Me just drive out now, Nana, but let me hear this, Nana. Nana, your blood clot bad and you're wicked. Tell me when for me to your blood clot New York. Me tell Kim to come out. Cause me done chat. Me tell Kim to come out. She not come out, Nana. If you want to meet me, your blood clot beat me and beat me blood clot, Nana. You have strength for me. Can you beg out them blood clot money and you look money? You have strength for me, Nana. Nana go suck your mama and your pooper, Nana. And don't make me go back go show me this year again. Nana, me get the voice note and me, I go blood clot. Use it anytime, Nana. War is blood clot war. If you know you never mean to, you never want nobody get it. Hello? Yeah. Me don't know where you chat for, where your blood clot come for me for. You send up blood clot voice note. And you cuss. But you come talk about anyhow. You and Kim are the friend the war. Nana, move your nasty pussy, blood, fat, bumbo, stinking pussy well and going, Nana. The only thing you can say, big old girl, big foot girl, what else you can say? Me no walk and beg. When you come chat about Nana, anybody come back out with life, you ever done them. Nana done your Yo, Nana. Mind where you talk, say no girl, but anybody come back out. Nana, me blood clot come out and me come out strong. So come done me. Where you can't talk, say Nana. What the blood clot you can't talk, say? About me. Every day there's big pussy, bad mind, careless, bumbo clot girl and I come America when I have nothing. I come talk about rich and them have clothes and them have, yes, me have my clothes and my blood clot boot. You have one bag and two shoes. Go suck your mama and go fuck for it. Allow me. I work my blood clot them. If I come off I work, I come argue with another, come in afraid of you. Me a one girl when I back down from none of no pussy hole. But me now come out and come argue with you know. I'm riggedy blood clot do. Riggedy blood clot do. Big pussy, big, me not used to that. Me not come from ghetto. Me not go on the big old bumbo clot, big mumpy blood clot live. Me have my own live. She a boss. And she got blood clot 39 people on her bumbo clot live. Me not go on nobody live. Me a chat yes so. She with blood clot ear. She with bumbo clot ear this. Me not care. And me not back down. No girl can't chat me about anybody talk. Nana, rub where you want rub, Nana. Nana, rub where you want rub, Nana. Me in a good place. Me have my business. Me have my good things, them, Nana. Rub any blood clot where you want rub. Cause something you look. The last war you never night, you call me much time. You want me play the blood clot record where you call me. And all I said to me say, Mama, you land, move your nasty. Yo, what my next phone there? Hey girl, go away. Girl, go and play with me. You may tell you? Man, me look for you come talk about you never talk to me. You dey on phone with me all 1 hour, you want me post it? 1, 2 hours you dey on phone with me, Nana. Nana, you want me post them when me done? Nana, me go post them on my page. You dey on phone with me 1 hour, 2 blood clot hour, now you come tell lie. And I come talk about you not talk to me. Mama, make sure it's a land safe. How we talk to Nana? How you come talk about them come out, come do no like. Where you go do, Nana? You can't beat me. Nana, me can't come to New York, Nana. Me can't buy a ticket. You ready? You don't know of nobody. You don't know of nobody do no war. Nana, no police never look for you America yet. No police never look for you America yet, Nana. Police look for blood clot me. And anytime you're ready, tell me when I'm blood clot where. And see what the OG you do. Tell me when I wear, Nana. All of the thing gonna come blood clot. But if you and Kim was friends, you could have been back up already. Nana got sit down. Back up under your big pussy blood clot hole. Back up when, Nana? Nana back up what? You ever seen her back up from nobody, Nana? You just go around the corner and talk a story. Now you come up with a different bumbo clot story around here. Go cuss Kim where cuss you. And that's what you gonna do. Me no cuss you, me play the vice note, Nana. And we play it again and again and again. We hold the bumbo clot it reaching on my orbit. How it reaching on my blood clot phone? And you know why nobody play it? Why you send it out for then? Why did you send it out if you don't want nobody play it? Nana, me not gonna talk to you too much now, cause me have a job. Regardless of what them say, me have a job. And me have to go this, and me have to go fly out, and me have to fly in, and me have to do the things, and me have to buy my good because it a kill you. Rape me heavy in a flatbush. Policeman come for blood clot me a flatbush and say woman in a grey jacket armor. Every day this big pussy girl them come on the internet. I stress me out. I me do my blood clot job. They have my job at work. Me have to come out and drive out. You know make no noise that white people them ears. She come tell you if she and Kim was friends with a up already. Nana, you better go up and pan something over your yard or go up and pan your bed and don't make your bed broke down, Nana, because you cannot. You only can cuss, Nana. Me is not a cusser, Nana. Me is not a cusser. Me is not a classer like Uno. Me no grow up like that, Nana. I no grow up in a ghetto. Me grow up a even blood clot deal. Me no grow up like that, Nana. Me is not a cusser. But step to me, Nana. Since you not like how me play it, Nana, me go play it again later on. And then, Nana, you call me and tell me where to meet you. And I saw it go, Nana. Blood clot, that's how badness go. But people talk about them used to sell drugs. Me used to sell drugs. You hear the word? You done no bumbo clot. The time you walk and fuck, you should have go back to school. Used to sell it. Police can't do you nothing either. Blood clot, girl. Police can't do you nothing. Anything, you can call immigration to come. Nana, me no work with police, Nana. Me can't give up my phone. Me never call police on my phone for nobody yet. Me no do police. You hear me tell you, Nana? Forget your blood clot, because you call ACS from blood clot Stacy, and Stacy call back for you. Stop going like your blood clot nice for the internet, girl. Girl, stop going like your blood clot nice for the internet, Nana. Because at 23 years you're on the internet, of course. You call ACS from Stacy pitney them, then call back for you. Stop it. I'm not going to stay on your whole day, because me have to go back to work. You know blood clot tell you, all I'm going to suck out to the mouth that's strong, allow me. Make me live my blood clot life. And my shoes and my blood clot, all shoes and bag them about down now. Every day them come and talk with them have. Yes, me have a blood clot talk. Come to their immigration for 1 year. And me come back. And me build up myself and have me thing. Never talk about it and my blood clot frightened. Me frightened. Cause I know I can suck wood and not have nothing. And I come back. Don't bother me. And don't threaten me. None of no blood clot threaten me. Can you know, you don't get chat. Nana, you are internet badness for 30 years. You're the internet cussing, no, Nana. You're the there cuss, Nana. And you can't blood. Enter you ready. Tell me. If you're ready. When I play it again, enter you ready. Tell me we shall have a blood clot meet you, Nana. And me fly come to New York come meet you. And make your blood clot beat me. One, two, no. Yeah, come out, come talk. And just because if me and Kim, if Kim never loyal, you know that up. None of me cuss you and blood clot Kim already. So yeah, come out, come talk about if me and Kim was friend. All I would have it up. Nana, who the fuck is you, Nana? Nana, who is you? Nana, you have a lawyer friend? Nana, you have a doctor friend? You have nobody work at Kings County? Brookdale, Nana, who the fuck is you, Nana? Every day is a different blood clot. If you want to come out of the you take out your nasty blood clot in it. When you come back, come insert your big pussy nasty self in it for Nana. When you come back, come insert yourself and I call up my name. Don't call my blood clot name. And I come talk about me, tell you, say, you obvious. When me chat to you on internet, girl, me not chat to you. Can you tell blood clot Kim, say, you not like me because me show up. Me come in a new talent in a high heel shoes and a walk. You tell Kim that from 10 years ago. You there on me DM. On me Facebook something, make a post them when you're done. You are come tell me about mama land safe. But now you come talk about you know blood clot. Like me on the phone with me 1 hour and blood clot. I talk to me. A Florida the on phone. Me if you tell us I keep them on the next phone. Hey girl, and stop tell like on blood clot me. Me have all everything on my phone and I screenshot everything up on my phone. If you never like me, you never talk to me, you come and tell me say mama land safe. Mama land safe. Bumbo clot. One to you. You come bad up yourself today. You come bad up yourself. Me there work. Me have to left work, drive out. If you come out, come argue. I come talk about if you and Kim are the friend. Them would have to up off of Kim. Hey, Nana, go sit down. Nana, go sit fucking down and go do what you do. Go clean your house. You may I tell you. Me tell you now already. You can come out. You could have talked till God come if you never know what going on for me today. All me there cause if I know what going on for me today. Mercy. And God. So you can say that cause while you there you saw blood clot talk. Nana, things are going for me right now. You can't chat you could have cost big hole, big foot, 13 teeth, rotten belly, you could have talk like a blood clot more, me no care. And the more I talk to the God bless me with something so good, the more I talk. But stop talk like you're wicked, Nana. But say, you a girl will beat girl. And you a girl will do this. You beat idiot blood clot girl, Nana. A idiot girl you beat. Bumbo clot 40 police ever look for you. Them look for bumbo clot me a flatbush and blood clot eat a new talent. And come take me out a new talent with gun. Police Nana beat me upon blood clot that's a bad girl. Me never inform upon nobody. Me not talk about nobody. You might tell you, when me customer tell them me not call no blood clot immigration. Them call immigration upon blood clot me. Them call the people them job at Kings County. Them call police. Nothing on my phone. No police can say me call ever call. Me can show my record. So me a blood clot OG. And you come talk about them a call ACS. Look how long you and Stacey go back and forth with ACS. Look how long this happened on the internet, Nana. Now you come go on like to bag a TV and cross them like you're a good girl. Girl, go ahead and go sit down. A 40 years on the internet. Remember that. Everybody know you. But anybody take live, one way you go do. Nana, do what you do. Come in and listen to you, Nana, because you waste blood clot matter. You waste matter. Me not listen to blood clot, you, Nana. Because you cannot get up tomorrow morning and buy a blood clot ticket and buy a hotel and fly out. Me can't do that. Straight. Me don't know where you come from. Me don't know who blood clot send you. If it's the next 500, you come to get her something. But me not give to you. Nana, so stop show up. And stop show up to the new people them we just dep on social media. Because me not afraid of no pussy. I'm tell you already, me nah go call your son name again. Because if you never call my son picking them name last time, I would have mentioned that. And me not going to do it. Me I talk to you. I'm going like you're a bad blood clot girl you're mum about anybody take lie, you go diss them. You can't diss me. What the bumbo clot you know about me? What you know about me, you can't diss me. Me there with a man for much years, you can't diss me. And a 2D and a 3D. You come out, you want to talk, so them play don't cuss me for the recording. Why you not cuss who send out your recording? But you think that me a weak friends? Yeah, man. You think that me a weak friends? Because you come out in thousands, you come out in, you keep on blood clot coming, because the more you come, and more me I get blessing. One blessing come here today where God can send that. And more I go come, so no continue. Nana, me come out, come cuss you, because I want you continue cuss on the live. Me want you continue cuss tomorrow. Cuss the big pussy and do whatever you want. I don't motherfucking care. Listen to me. Read me blood clot lips so you can see them. Read them. Me no blood clot care. I'm gonna, yeah. Every day somebody is new join the chat. Alright, me put out the voice note. All Shafi do, send a message to me and say, "Hope, me and Una no war." The voice note come out, and me no want my name play again. Simple. But you take up badness like blood clot toffee. Like when you come out like the same thing, you come go on. I come do badness and things and me go back down. Nana, me no like bully. Me not like blood clot bully. I no like people bully me. You see when they bully me get wickeder. If there's a word, I'm wickeder. So keep it up. Keep it up, blood clot, Nana. Remember your same friend send out all your blood clot information to people. You can't take mine. You can't go to immigration. You can't do one. Me now work dirty like uno. Me now work dirty like uno. Cause no police can ever say me call a police. Me can show up my blood clot phone. Me no take my phone and call no police. Me no call police. Me no call ACS. Me never work so yet. So me don't know where I come chat about them call ACS, them call. You talk to Kim. You company live and talk to Kim and call ACS for the people them. Now you change your mouth. What Nana, you need something? Nana, what you need from them? Nana, just go back over so, slide back over so, get where you get Nana and just make me just stay over here so. If you want to talk to me right about the voice note. And when we play it the other day, you never said nothing. When we play it on the live with you, if you didn't tell me, say, hope me no want me name tonight. Me send out the voice note. And me don't know how you get it. You know it have been different. But you take badness, blood clot, girl, Nana. Nana, you can't pay a liar right now, Nana, if you go to jail. Nana, can you pay a liar right blood clot now if you go to jail, Nana? If anything happen, Nana, you go anyway. You can't back up yourself, Nana. You have your son. So go sit down, Nana. Me not have no young picnic. My last son a 20-year-old. I'm going to come off of this now because I'm going to go back a blood clot work. So go back and go do all what you do. Me talk already. I'm a bad no blood clot. And anytime I feel like play, I'm going to pay that bumbo clot. Come beat me and tell me which I have to meet you. Take care. Back at work, go make my money.